Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Holmes, and today we're going to put our words for Unit 6 into our Words I Use When I Write book. Um, you need your book, you need a pencil, and a red crayon. Now, the book that I'm using today is one that it's actually a new book, and so it's not going to have some of the words in it that you may already have in your book, but that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and work with that anyway. All right, so let's begin. First, I want you to look under the letter A. Under the letter A, and under the letter A, we're going to first write the word athlete. An athlete is someone who likes to do sports. Athlete. Okay. Now you probably have some A words, but I'm going to go ahead and write it here. It's not over here. Athlete. 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 And let's go ahead and trace it. Make sure that you're tracing it really well. Don't just scribble. That does not work. If you don't have your letter book, you can do this on a sheet of paper. These are words that you're going to need when you do your test. Okay, there are no more words that begin with A. On the B page, we have the word blaze. The firemen put out the blaze. And I look over here, bull, but there's no word blaze. B L A Z E. B L A Z E. I'm going to go ahead and trace the word B L A Z E. And those are the, oh no, here's another one. Bike. Bike. Now look over here, there's B-I, bike, but no, the word bike. This is a vowel consonant E word. B-I-K-E. Blaze was also a vowel consonant E word. Bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. And those are the only B words. I go to C, and we have the word captive. Captive. If someone is captive, they're not free to go where they want. Captive. It's not over here. So Captive. Captive. Now you notice, boys and girls, I'm using my best handwriting. I hope that you are too. All right, so let's trace the word captive. Captive. Now remember, you can always stop the video, pause the video if you need to. And there are no more words that begin with C. And I turn to the D page, and we have a vowel consonant E name, Dave. D, capital D, A, V, E. Dave. D-A-V-E. Dave is the name of the person that my sister married. D-A-V-E. That's a vowel consonant E word. There are no more D words. E. There are no E words. F. There are no F words that begin with F. G. There are no G words. H. Okay, our H word is, or the first H word is the word house. House. Do you see it? There it is. It's right there. I'm going to put a little star by it and trace the word house. 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 Now remember, your book's going to look different from mine because this is a new book and it's not one that we've put our words in before. Okay, the next H word is the word homeless. The family was homeless. That would be very sad. It's it's not a compound word. It has a suffix, HOME, home, less, LESS. And less is your suffix, and home is your base word, homeless. It means you do not have a home. HOMELESS, homeless. And there are, the next H word is the word his. His. Oh, there it is right there. His. So let's trace it. HIS. Notice the S sounds like a Z. His. But it's an S. Okay. I. There are no words that begin with I. J. And there are no words that begin with J. And none that begin with K either. L. There are no words that begin with L. M. Oh, we have a trick word. Move. Move. I'm going to write it right up here. MOVE. 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 If you need to pause the video, you can. All right. There are no other words that begin with M. N. Okay, words that begin with the letter N, and there are none. O. There are no words that begin with O. P. Oh, there's a word that begins with P, the word place. Pull, up. There it is, place. P, get your crayon. P, L, A, C, E. Place. Okay, the next word is another word that begins with P, plates. Our food is on our plates. So PLATES. Notice it has the suffix S on the end of it. Okay, plate. PLATES. You notice I'm using my best handwriting, and I hope that you are too. All right, that's the last of the words that begins with P. Q. There are no words that begin with Q. R. You have the word right. Oh, it's right there. This is the word right as in I got the right or the correct answer. RIGHT. Right. It's also the same as my right hand. Right. And there are no other words that begin with R. S. Oh, we have an S word. The word spoke. I spoke to my daughter. Spoke. S-P-O-K-E. It's a vowel consonant E word. Spoke. And trace it. S-P-O-K-E. Spoke. Now, how do I know that spoke wasn't in there? Because I come over to SP. Oh, yeah, neither one of those are going to be spelled correctly. All right, and let's see if there are any other words that begin with S. Nope, there are none. Room for lots of S words. Okay, T. Now we have a trick word, together, and in my class we practiced saying it as to get her. If we go to get her, we can spend time together. That helps me remember how to spell it. Okay, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. And another word that we need with a T is the word take. Take. And I look over here. There it is. Take. T-A-K-E. Take. Okay, there are no words that begin with U, and there are no words that begin with V. W. There are no words that begin with W. With X, with Y, or with the letter Z. There are no color words. That's good to know those are there. There are no contractions, although we have studied those. The days of the week and the months of the year. Ooh, number words. You might need those sometime. And here's some places where you can put names of family and friends. All right, well, that's all today, boys and girls. That was for Unit 6 to help you practice for the test. And I hope you do well on it. And I will see you next time.